going on YouTube? It's your girl Shaman. I'm back with another video. Y'all see where we at. Looking crazy. Y'all see where we at. We're at the beach, y'all. We made it up here late, but we made it. And I'm starting this video real quick because we gotta go get in the water, y'all. Because the beach closing up here at 5 something. And Zayden ready to fly and he gonna be hungry tomorrow. Them sandy hands. Say hi, Mary. So they got sand on. Yo, when we just out on this beach, literally, all the stuff got wet. It's right down. That's why I said for us to come up here early in the day. We wouldn't have had to worry about all this. We would have been settled and set.
We would have came up here at 1.
Yeah. No. If we would have left at 1, we would have been up here by 2. Yeah, stop. Don't touch that. Wait, move.
Y'all need to buy.
You ready to go get in the water? Alright, we got to go get in the water. Zayden and Mary on their way up. Up there, I got they got real quick, you guys. That was Zayden. And Mary up there, y'all. Alright, y'all. More. You don't have to get in. Look, let it touch. Ooh. Ooh. Uh-oh, that's a big one. Ooh, Mora. Okay, we're sitting out on the beach now because Mora's acting weird. Uh-oh, Mora. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, come on. Come on, Mora. Where Mimi? Oh, Mimi and Zayden over there. It's so nice. Uh-oh, come on. I wanted to touch my feet. I'm so hot. It's so hot. Uh-oh. Come on. Mora, it's too far. Come on. Mora, it's not going to touch you. Come on. Whoa. Y'all, Mora was so scared, so she didn't get in the water at all. Y'all just gotta wait till the next one to come. Uh-oh. Oh my God, look at this one, y'all. Mora was so scared, she didn't want to get in at all. She was acting crazy. Oh my God. Stop it! I was so scared. I was so scared for him. Oh my God. Yo, I just grabbed him. Oh, Zayden. I swear. Oh my goodness, look at Zayden. Zayden, it almost took you. Oh my goodness. We still want to be the tough guy. Look where Mora is, like come on. All right, y'all, this is my second attempt to putting up the tent. The first attempt, it got crazy. It got soaking wet, y'all. The water came literally all the way up to where we had our tent at, y'all. So we about to do it this time. We about to try to do it this time. So yeah, let's get it. Okay, y'all, we finally try to get the tent up. This tent was crazy. But look at the inside. It's mad hot.
Flat.
Yeah, we gotta bring our cooler and everything. Yeah, I know. Look at Mora, scary cat.
No, she's
scared.
not.
Yes,
she
she
said,
is.
come in.
No, she's scared of getting in the water. Scary stuff. Look, y'all, we got a little thing. Yo, it's hot. This shit hot here. We tried the best we could do with no directions. Y'all see y'all nigga in our tent. This is an epic fail today, y'all. Coming to the beach late, trying to put up our tent. Hello. Zamir, I see you. Look at our tent, it's dying. Y'all, this is an epic fail. Yo, look, all the little things coming to get the fries.
Right
Look,
there,
y'all.
homeboy. He right there.
Look, y'all, our fries fell. Get them, y'all. Eat time. I know y'all mouth super sandy, bro. Look how many of them, y'all. Look, it's ganging them down there. Look, more, yeah. Look, y'all. That feels so good. Yo, my phone is so sandy, it ain't even. Y'all don't know how thirsty I am. Like, I'm so thirsty. Yo, we just getting off the beach. Come on, Mora. Look at Mora, little mini everything. Come on, boo. I'm gonna go refill my drink because I'm thirsty. I'm so thirsty. We finally made it to the boardwalk point. Yeah, we finally made it there. Yo, from the epic fail of the tent to being freaking dehydrated, we are finally back in the car. Like, when I mean I'm drink, I don't even know how we gonna drive back home. I'm literally drink. We gonna make it there though. We gonna make it there in safe hands. I just know I need to stop and get some water. Look at my mouth. I look like survival. Like, soda it ain't popping. So yeah, y'all, we're gonna catch up when we get back home. The kids got their favorite.
Like my favorite, y'all. My favorite is
Wendy's foot right now. Y'all got your favorite?
my mom forgot my cheese.
Y'all know everybody love Wendy's because you get the nuggets, the fries, the ouch. You get the nuggets, the fries, the burger, and the drink. You cannot go wrong with that. Tell me you can't go wrong with that. Period. Boy, be quiet. And then we be getting the cheese sauce sometimes. Remember, always been so extra. Like, boy, you just got put on cheese sauce because we put you on cheese sauce. Like, good night.
No.
Oh, we're at Chick-fil-A. It smells so good. Yes, hi. Can I get 2 4-piece meals?
And to drink with those?
Yeah. Can I get 2 Cokes?
Sorry, what?
2 Cokes?
2 Cokes? Anything else?
Yes. And one of the 4-piece, could you make it the mac and cheese?
Mac and cheese?
Yes.
Anything else?
And then the sauce is Chick-fil-A, sriracha and ranch. And that's
Chick-fil-A,
it.
sriracha, and ranch.
Yes.
Anything else?
That's all.
Can I have a name?
Sham?
Alright, you're all set. Have a good one.
All right, thank you. Do y'all see how they be rushing y'all? Anything else? Okay, anything else? Then he over there running his mouth about a fight. Like, boy, it's about to be a fight. I'm about to fight you. He over Zamir, you gotta move from. Look at him. You have to move from the intercom. You sitting there running your mouth. Oh my goodness, ghetto fabulous. But anyway, I'm getting my Chick-fil-A and he's paying for it. So period. All right, you guys. It is the next morning. I didn't get a chance to close the video out last night. Yeah, we came home. I ate my tenders. That Chick-fil-A was so fresh. 10 out of 10. Yeah, we came home, you guys. We all took showers. We got real comfortable in the house. So, yeah, we all took showers. And then we got ready for bed, you guys, because we came home like around 9 o'clock because we got stuck in traffic, you guys. Like a 30-minute traffic because it was like a 3-car accident or something, you guys, on the highway. But thank to the good Lord, we made it home. But I'm closing out this video. It's your girl, Sham. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to turn the notification bell on so you'll be notified each and every time the new video is uploaded. Y'all see that the beach day was an epic fail, like literally an epic fail. It was hot. We couldn't put the tent up. No nothing, y'all. That was our first time trying to put the tent up. So we're going to try to put the tent up at home so that way we know what we doing when we get there or whatever, you guys. Look at Marva. She's knocked out. My girl knocked out. But I love y'all. Stay tuned for another video. I don't know if I'm posting today, y'all. I'm just chilling, relaxing. If you guys want to see a video from me today, let me know and I'll whip it up for y'all. I love you guys.